India's economy has come a long way since its independence in 1947. From a struggling agrarian economy, India has emerged as one of the fastest-growing economies in the world, with a GDP of over $2.8 trillion. However, the journey has not been without its challenges. India still faces significant economic and social disparities, with the rural population struggling to keep up with the rapid pace of development in urban areas. The Indian economy is primarily driven by the manufacturing and services sectors, which account for around 80% of the GDP. The IT sector, in particular, has been a major success story, with companies like Infosys and TCS becoming global giants. India's retail sector is also thriving, with the rise of e-commerce and the growth of consumer spending driving demand. However, the informal sector still accounts for a significant portion of the economy, with many small businesses and street vendors struggling to survive. Infrastructure development has been a major focus for the Indian government in recent years, with massive investments in roads, railways, airports, and ports. These investments have helped to drive growth and create jobs, but much more needs to be done to address the country's massive infrastructure deficit. The Indian stock market has also been a major success story, with the benchmark index, the Nifty 50, hitting all-time highs in recent years. Foreign investors have been pouring money into the Indian market, attracted by the country's high growth potential and favorable demographic trends. India is also making strides in the renewable energy sector, with massive investments in solar and wind power. This has not only helped to reduce the country's carbon footprint but has also created jobs and driven growth in the sector. India's economy has come a long way since its independence, but there is still much work to be done. The country's massive population and diverse challenges mean that sustained and inclusive growth is crucial for the future. However, with the right policies and investments, India has the potential to become one of the world's leading economies, and a beacon of hope for millions of people around the world.